We were screaming.
It was so intense.
We were crying.
It was super amazing.
Jumping.
To see your daughter on a worldwide stage, it was just unbelievable, and she's well deserving of that.
My name is Krystal Johnson, and I am a Special Olympic athlete. I am 31 years old.
My name is Jenna. For me, it's 31.
My favorite sport is tennis because when I was in World Games in Abu Dhabi, I hit an ace, and it felt so good hitting the ace inside the court.
She said, I want to do this. I want to be the fastest. We worked hard together, 9 or 10 months, 6 days a week in the pool, land training, water training.
When something's hard, you keep going, and then you'll reach your goal. It makes me feel so good knowing I did my best.
It's a gateway. It's just not a sport. It teaches self-confidence. It teaches you how to be assertive, how to interact with other athletes and coaches.
It gives them so much confidence when they go out in the world around people that doesn't have intellectual disabilities. And it just makes them a much stronger person.
It's not just, hey, come play a sport. It's, hey, come be interactive. Come grow as a human being.
I love competing, trying my best, making new friends, and just having fun. Whatever place I come in, I'm good. I have all the support, my family. I thank them for, being there for me all the time.
I admire the things that she tries, and it's been very powerful.
I am so proud of her to the point where I wish other people could have the type of determination to succeed like she has. I think if we can give doses of that in the world, it would be a much better world.
You can support Special Olympics and athletes like Jenna.
Go to add-ons right now and donate.